How to fix PlayStation 5 error code CE-105799-1/CE-113212-0. Here are some tips that would help fix PlayStation 5 error code CE-105799-1/CE-113212-0. Check the PSN status page at https://status.playstation.com. 2. Restart your PlayStation 5, and try a wired connection. And reconfigure the network settings again. Note, for wireless connection players, try bringing your PS5 closer to your router or removing anything interrupting the connection between the devices. Shut down, for 5 minutes, then restart your router and modem. Update the firmware of your router. For details on how to update, please Google or contact your router vendor. If possible, try opening these ports. TCP 80, 443, 3478, 3479, 3480 and UDP, 3478, 3479,49152655535. Hint, please Google. Or contact your ISP, Internet Service Provider, report forwarding. In the network settings, set up a static IP address manually. Try changing DNS settings temporarily. 3. Leave your PS5 alone for a while and try again later.